older and also pregnant women.
Yeah, I had a really nice day for it at that. But Kevin, as we look ahead down the road, things are going to get a little wet over the next couple days.
Yes, especially later tonight and then through the day tomorrow. It looks like that system should be out of here early on Friday. We've got a lot to talk about, so we'll get right to it. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to a Wednesday. Blue sky, sunshine. Now we're seeing the high and the mid-level clouds continue to thicken up here. Rain and thunderstorms likely later tonight and in through the day tomorrow. Probably a couple of different rounds there. Next chance after that comes in here on Sunday, and warmer temperatures in the next week. You know, the frost and the freeze threat we've had the last couple of mornings, yeah, that's gone. Probably until the fall, it looks like right now. This is a much stable atmosphere that has set up. That's ground clutter on the radar screen. That is not precipitation. We do have a little cluster of storms out here to the west there. I'll show you on a larger scale radar coming up here momentarily. Look at how mild our temperatures are. We had temperatures in the low to mid 60s today. The clouds came in and then the temperatures are falling, but they're very slow right now because that cloud cover acts as a blanket. 55 up there in Big Rapids, 57 in Grand Rapids. It's warm as 62 in both Benton Harbor and Muskegon. I think once the rain gets going later tonight and into tomorrow morning, 7, 8 o'clock, we'll probably fall to around 49, 50, 52 degrees, so it's not going to cool off that much. As we look at our clouds and radar movement over the last 6 hours here, what you'll find is those clouds continue to advance on in here. These are some very light showers outside of our area. Here's the cluster of some showers and thunderstorms. Those are still probably about another 3 hours away from our lakeshore counties, and I still think we'll see more of this fill in as we go through the overnight hours and into tomorrow morning as the warm front kind of approaches our way. Here's the severe weather outlook then for tomorrow, not for tonight, but for tomorrow. Just north of the I-94 corridor across Van Buren, Kalamazoo, Calhoun counties southward in yellow, that's a slight risk. So that's the second one up from the bottom. And then in this green area, that's a marginal risk. That's the lowest threat category. Now, when we talk a severe weather threat, what kind of threats are we talking about? The primary threats with these storms when they form, especially across our southern counties, could be hail size. 1 inch, maybe inch and a quarter in hail. That would trigger a severe thunderstorm warning. Wind gust up around 60 miles per hour. That would trigger a severe thunderstorm warning. It's not really a tornado environment. Tornadoes are unlikely. I can't rule out an isolated brief spin up of a very weak EF0 or EF1, but the threat, the bigger threat, will be hail and wind gust if we see that. So our forecast for tomorrow then, likely around with some showers and some thunderstorms in the morning. That should end late morning, early afternoon, then a big break, and then probably another redevelopment of a cluster tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. We'll have a southeast to turning southwest wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. Highs in the mid 60s. If we get any thinning of the cloud cover at all, we're going to see those temperatures move into the upper 60s there. Here's what it looks like on the weather map at 6 a.m. You can see the showers and thunderstorms moving out ahead of this warm front, then a break through the afternoon hours, and then another round as this low pressure system moves into the area. And while it's going through the area on Friday morning, we're still talking about that threat on Friday morning of some showers and storms. That moves out of here. The skies will clear, and as those skies clear, we'll see temperatures around 72 on Friday. Friday night into Saturday, we're mostly clear, and then Saturday looks like a pretty good day, but there's our next weather maker coming in already on the map, and that doesn't happen until Sunday. How much rainfall are we talking about? Area-wide, everybody gets it on it looks like about an inch or two. There may be some isolated spots that pick up more than that from what we refer to as training thunderstorms. Thunderstorms that form and go over the exact same area. One more forecast model. Again, we're looking for consistency. 1 to 2 inches area-wide, a very good soaking, but there may be spots that pick up a little bit more than that. But again, this is going to be a pretty good soaking rain with some shower and thunderstorm activity through the duration. So we talked about tomorrow, 72 late day clearing there on Friday, 70 on Saturday. That looks like a good day. Rain holds off until Sunday, 65 degrees there with some showers and thunderstorms there. Morning clouds on Monday, but late day clearing, 67 there. 70 on Tuesday, 75 on Wednesday, and beyond that could be 78 to 80 degrees. That would be our first 80-degree temperature this season. So again, as I've been saying, something to look forward to. I just put the fertilizer down today, so I'm all ready for the rain. Hopefully you guys are too. Doug, Janice?
Oh, we are. The first 80, hopefully far from the last that we'll get in the next couple of weeks. Thank you, Kevin.